I do DIY in a small workshop inside my house, so space is limited. Because of that, my miter saw is stored inside the workbench in a pull-out drawer. Today, I'll show you how I made these removable support tables for both sides. They are easy to attach and remove. Let's get started. My miter saw is a Makita LS0613FL. It has holes on both sides for the factory guide bars, so I decided to use them. Once the holes are drilled, insert a 1-2mm pin. This will be our reference point. Before moving on, make sure the pin fits nicely. Looks good. Once the holes are drilled, cut the outside edges using the holes as a reference. Drilling the holes is the least precise step, so I did it first. I'll give it a quick coat of paint. It's not really necessary, but I prefer the finished look. If any paint gets on the edges, you can scrape it off like this with a scraper. For the mounting hardware, I just used some brackets I had lying around in the shop. They're simple black brackets from the hardware store. On the other side, the support simply rests on a small angle bracket I had in the shop. The fence on the support tables is set back about 5mm from the miter saw fence. This small gap helps keep the cut square when working with warped lumber. For storage, I hang them in the vertical drawer I made earlier for long tools. To keep them from rattling when the drawer is pulled out, I added a small magnet to hold them in place. It's a tight space, but this is where I store them. I also keep my long clamps and track saw rails here.